Buying an investment property is actually way simpler than most people think. Here's the exact blueprint I use to get started in real estate. First, get your finances in order. You'll need a 20 to 25% down payment for investment properties and a credit score above 680. Start saving aggressively and clean up any credit issues. Check your local market and identify emerging neighborhoods. Look for areas with good rental demand, low crime rates, and upcoming development projects. These factors drive property value up. Find an experienced real estate agent who specializes in investment properties. They'll help you run the numbers and avoid rookie mistakes. Ask for referrals from other investors. Calculate your potential return on investment before making any offers. The 1% rule is key. Monthly rent should be at least 1% of the purchase price. Factor in all expenses like taxes, insurance, and maintenance. This property should be generating cash flow above all your expenses. Get pre-approved for a mortgage specifically for investment properties. Interest rates are usually higher than primary residences, so shop around for the best terms. Make competitive offers and always get professional inspections. Don't skip this step to save money. Hidden issues can destroy your profits. Start building your team early. Find a reliable property manager, contractor, and accountant. You'll need them once you close the deal. If you are a new investor and a little nervous, start small with a single-family home or duplex. Master the basics before scaling up to bigger properties. Real estate investing isn't about getting rich quick. It's about making smart, calculated moves for long-term wealth and the ability to retire comfortably at the earliest age.